Hi folks, my name's Ken and I'm your Seed Legend Ambassador. And I'm here today to let you know about Restoration Foaming Shampoo. This stuff is amazing. And I'll tell you why it's amazing. Like all Seed Legend products, this is truly 100% natural. Let me show you the ingredients list, and I think you'll agree with me, it's pretty impressive. There's 6 easy to pronounce, earth-sourced, all-natural ingredients. I mean, that's it. Now I want you to go to your bathroom and grab the shampoo you probably have on the shelf in there and just take a look at the ingredient list to that shampoo. I think you'll be kind of surprised because it's usually loaded down with line after line of these crazy chemicals. And if you're using one of those commercially produced shampoos and your hair's feeling waxy or weighed down, or maybe you're losing your hair or it's thinning, you know, it could very well be because of all those crazy chemicals in your shampoo. And so you may be asking, why does Seed Legend have this ability to create a product that doesn't have to be preserved or all those other things, and the billion-dollar beauty industry hasn't figured out how to do it? Well, I'll tell you how. It's 2 words to explain it: saponin and fermentation. Now let me start with saponin. Saponin is an amazing all-natural substance that we harvest and extract from soapberries. And it's saponin that gives us this ability, amazing ability, to nourish while at the same time gently cleanse. It's truly Mother Nature's gift to us because it has the ability to do both things. And saponin is a natural emulsifier, so we don't need to add an artificial emulsifier. So when you use Restoration Shampoo, what's going to happen is the saponin is going to nourish your hair and your scalp, but it's also going to gently cleanse your scalp and open up those clogged pores that have probably been clogged for years because of all those chemicals in the shampoo you're using. And once your pores are open and restored to health, then it's going to automatically encourage new growth. So that's one of the real exciting parts about Restoration Shampoo versus chemical-laden shampoos out there. Now, fermentation is the second part. And I know you've heard of the concept of fermentation. It's what winemakers use when they create wine. And basically, when a bottle of wine is created through fermentation, it's perfectly preserved if you store it properly. And that's the same with Restoration Shampoo or any Seed Legend products that are fermented. It basically, if you store it right, it'll last indefinitely. And now, along with preservation, the other reason that we use fermentation is we extract saponin out of soapberries with it. And now it takes 3 pounds of soapberries to make 1 bottle of Restoration Shampoo. And let me show you what 3 pounds of soapberries look like. It's this many soapberries to make 1 large bottle of Restoration Shampoo. And what we extract from that is raw, pure, precious saponin. And that's what saponin extract looks like. See how dark and rich the color is? So now if anybody else tells you they have a soapberry product and it isn't that dark, you'd realize that there's very little saponin in it. In fact, this is a leading popular soapberry product. Now let's take a look. We're going to take the lid off. We're going to pour their liquid product, their gel product actually, into a glass. See how light? See how light their product is? It doesn't look a whole lot like this, does it? It should be a lot darker if it's got any saponin in it at all. Not very dark. But let's compare it to the Restoration Shampoo. Take the lid off, and we will just pour that into a glass, and look at the difference. See how dark and rich the color is compared to this other soapberry product. And another thing to think about, this other soapberry product comes in a gel form, and the only way you can create a gel is by adding an artificial thickener. Here's a demonstration to show you what the pH balance of Restoration Shampoo is. We're using just a standard pack of pH strips you can purchase online. Now the ideal range would be between 5.0 and 5.75. And as you can see, we fall right in the perfect range for healthy hair and scalp. Along with that, we haven't added any fragrance. So consequently, when you smell it, it's going to just smell sweet, raw, and earthy because we want to keep it as natural and simple as possible. When you get your Restoration Shampoo, it comes in a pump bottle like this. And it actually converts that raw liquid into a rich, creamy foam. See that? And that's how you apply it, like that. That way we don't have to add anything to it artificial to create a gel form for you. So, I encourage you, if you're looking for health and balance in your hair and scalp, to order Restoration Shampoo and let your restoration begin as soon as possible.